habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Then you will have to focus on preparing your visual aids. And your visual aids come in the form of any of the following options. The usual classic time-tested PowerPoint deck, which sometimes you save into a PDF file. The difference is that with PowerPoint, you can animate content. With PDF, while the content is not animated, you can zoom in for a better, bigger picture, better view of the fonts and even images. You can also send video, and you can also use a virtual whiteboard. Now, these are one of the easiest to use because these are either existing materials without the need for customization or just minor customization. Some of the things that you need to be conscious of when you're preparing PowerPoint presentations is to make sure that they create an impact. The audience needs to be able to read them quickly. So in cases of text-heavy slides, make sure that you emphasize keywords by using bigger font sizes for key phrases, or using a different font type, or using a different font color for important information, numbers, figures, or highlighting the key messages with shapes around them. Using relevant images for your slides. And if you're going to put charts and graphs, make sure that they're easy to understand and not overwhelming. Now, you have PowerPoint, you have your PDF file, which usually is your company profile and product catalog. You have your video file, you can send a corporate video, client testimonials, and product demonstrations. Or you may also pull up your virtual whiteboard feature that's available in some video conferencing platforms. And you use this if you have a need to do on-the-spot sketches or, let's say, computations. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.